guys, I'm doing a quick update video. This is day 6 of FreeBSD. I've had sound problems. I had a problem yesterday with the ports. There was all these dependencies which would have taken longer, and I really just wanted to scale down what was installed with the desktop installer and have the least amount of ports for myself. And a lot of people like ports, I get it, I understand, but a lot of times I'm busy and I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to go ahead and just get to it. I'll talk about other things in another video, but I got TCSH, I got this to work. I'll eventually talk about that in another video. Okay, let's just get to it. PC Man FM, here we go. Okay, so the default for Gzdoom, okay, the default for Gzdoom is going to be this. Okay, this is the default. No sound, no nothing. No mouse look, no nothing. Totally lame, right? Totally lame. Totally lame. Yeah, kind of glitches a little bit, but it doesn't matter. It'll glitch a little bit. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and take our Gzdoom.ini and go back to Gzdoom. Okay. There it is. I'm kind of just feeling the way I'm feeling right now just because of I'm trying to configure things. So, but it's a glitchiness with the sound. I've seen it in videos and stuff, but anyway, this is with the Gzdoom.ini. Sound works. Sound works. Alright. And my controls work. Imagine that, my controls work. Okay, so if you are a FreeBSD user, it's glitching, but that's because, you know, it doesn't like so much stuff running on the video, so that's why it's glitching, but I don't care. Okay, so let's look at the Gzdoom.ini file. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. Okay, I'll go ahead and make this bigger. Okay, so we'll go down, go down, go down. Alright, so you have your different config files. I'm just going to talk about a couple here. So, you know, and I'll show you what to do here in a second, but I'm just going to show you what some of these controls are. So your SND output pretty much is, and your channels are pretty much what that is, but that's not the main factor to get your sound, if you want sound, for me anyway, because Live Fluid Synth does not work for me in FreeBSD. So I have to choose OPL. So it's the sound MIDI device if you're having a hard time with sound to choose a different sound. So I do -3 for OPL, but you're gonna have to play around with that just to see what that is. Alright, so now let's keep going down, keep going down. Keep going down, that's right. I should have used Vim or V, because this would have been faster. I could have just gone all the way down to the bottom, but anyway, that doesn't matter. Okay, so these are your controls right here, your Doom bindings. I'm just going to give it a quick overview here. And then you have your modified configuration stuff right here in this file. Your console variables, these are global settings unknown, Doom.player. okay? Because I know people are going to want to know this. So run, you know, equals true doesn't mean anything, but I'll just keep it on there. But that should probably be modified out. But anyway, but this right here is the important part. Your basic controls on the top and this are going to be your most important. You have your bindings right here, okay, and you got your keyboard shortcuts and whatnot, and basically you have a pad and you have the keyboard shortcut. So this has kind of been configured for our controller and the keyboard. But I have my preferences the way I want them, and CL_run is run. This is a big list, so I'm gonna have you guys look at this. And I went through 20,000 lines of information yesterday for the user reports updating, but I ended up deciding, well, it'd be easier to back everything up and reinstall. Just to give you a little bit of insight, yeah, CL and then run is the default, but there's a lot of information in here. I just want to show you what that looks like, just because I know that would be useful for you to know. Because run is not correct. Do not use just run, because you will not get what you want. So I'm just going to show this really quick. I'm trying to find where it is, because like I said, there's a lot. I should have used Vim. Like I said, it's just one of those days today. But I want to be here myself all the time. So yeah, the sound doesn't want to automatically load, so I have to type in a command for the sound to be enabled, and try to put it in the etcrc.com so that way it can automatically be enabled. I ran into problems like this before, but I know I just need to look past it and not think of it as a big deal. Okay, I can't find it. It was here before. Yep, CL run, here it is. Invert mouse, mouse look. You guys are going to, or free look is what it's called. Free look and CL run are a couple settings you're going to want to enable. But this is my Gzdoom.ini. If you guys want it, let me know, and I can get that to you. But you know, the install was good for the most part yesterday. I'm just going to go ahead and turn this off because it's not working. Or it's not working because I ran the video. So, all right, I think that's going to be it. I just wanted to show you. Well, I'll show you the. I'll show you what to do really quick. For example, what you're going to want to do is download the Gzdoom.ini file, and then what you're going to want to do is, I'm just going to show it in the file manager right now. Just what I feel like. After you download it, what you're going to want to do is take it, okay, and you're going to want to go to config, and then go to Gzdoom, and then you place it right here. Okay. Now, the config that you got for Gzdoom will not work. This is one way I got the Gzdoom.ini file to show up, because I looked for it and I couldn't find it anywhere on the FreeBSD system. So I had taken it, and usually it's automatically written, and it's usually automatically placed in other systems, but in this it's not. So you have to get it to generate in FreeBSD. So and how I did that was I downloaded an ini file. I named it Gzdoom, but it's Gzdoom.ini. That's fine. And then I placed it in here. Okay, and what that does is it will generate a Gzdoom.ini file for you. And then all you got to do is edit it, and you'll be good to go. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video today. Trying to move forward here, but the sound thing's not really a big deal. You know, it really isn't. There's worse things. So, anyway, that's going to be it today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will keep you guys posted. Thank you for all your support. See ya.